Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Nissan 370Z. First, locate a large, empty, and safe space, like a track or an airfield, free from any obstacles or other vehicles. Next, check your tire pressure. A slightly higher rear pressure, around 35 psi, can help. Always disable your traction control and vehicle dynamic control systems completely. This allows the rear wheels to lose traction freely, which is essential for initiating a drift. To initiate the drift, approach a corner at a moderate speed, perhaps 30 to 40 miles per hour. As you turn the steering wheel sharply into the corner, you have a couple of options. You can perform a quick clutch kick by pressing and releasing the clutch rapidly while applying throttle, or use power oversteer by simply applying enough throttle to break rear traction. The goal is to get the rear wheels to lose grip and start sliding. Once the rear end begins to slide, immediately countersteer by turning the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide. This is crucial for maintaining control. Use the throttle to control the angle and speed of your drift. More throttle increases the slide, less reduces it. Keep your eyes focused on where you want the car to go, looking through the corner, not directly at the sliding rear. To exit the drift, smoothly and gradually reduce your throttle input. As the rear tires begin to regain traction, slowly unwind the countersteer, bringing the steering wheel back to a straight position. The car should then straighten out. Remember, drifting requires significant practice and skill. Always begin in a safe, controlled environment, ideally with an experienced instructor, and wear proper safety equipment like a helmet.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.